So let's move to the user dashboard. So here inside folder user, so here we have the dashboard. So all we need to do, let's change this one, or let's keep the dashboard, and here we need a table. So let's bring a table from the index. Where is the photos? So we have photo. So here we have only, so what is the name of the file that we have already created? So this one. So we need, let's bring everything from here, copy and use it inside the user dashboard. So what is here, what we have? So let's, so here we don't create, so we don't have button to create anything. And here let's add so to the table let's add a caption, and the caption, let's give it a class of font weight bold, and here let's add my orders, and we need a table, and table has photo, and so we don't need to display the ID, and purchase it or dates when the user has bought the image, photo, purchase it, and action. So the action will be to download. So let's remove these ones, we don't need them. And here we need to use the auth, currently logged in user, auth user, and the relationship, which is orders, and we have here the order, and we need to add another loop. So here we have the order, so let's, and copy it and for each and add it here, and open this one. So here we have the order, and here we need order, we need to use the order photos, the relationship as photo, and we display each photo. So we have so we don't have the ID, we have here the URL, and the width and the height, and also the class, and same thing. And what else? So we don't need this one, the body, and this one, and here create the at. And what else we need? And here we need to provide the routes, not the routes, but the photo URL using the assets, and the photo URL, this one. And we can, what is the button here? So we can change the button to dark. And I think we have file download. Let's check if we have icon or not. So let's refresh the page and see what we will get. So for each must be array objects null given. Where is this one? So where is, so this one, for each order photo as photo. So I don't have so I think I did add the relationship or not. So I did not add the relationship. Okay, so let's add it now. So we have here photos, and belongs to mini photo. So let's refresh the page and see what we will get. So we have, as you can see, the photo, this one. So purchase it, and we can, as you can see, we have here the download link. We can, where is it? So here. So we can click and download it again if we want. So as you can see, we have the image here, but I think let's go back here, and I think we can add here download instead of the photo in the browser. So let's click on download. So now we can download the image as we have done before, and it's done here. So that's all for this. So for my orders, let's add or let's purchase or buy another image and check if we will have this image inside our orders or not. So let's do the same thing. So hit buy image. Now we are directed to checkout Stripe form. So let's use the email, and also here the test card, and we need a validate here, secret code, and name. Hit pay now, and now the payment is done successfully, and I am redirected to the image. I can now download this image. If I move to not to the home page but to the profile, so let's move to the profile or to the user dashboard, and here I have the image and I can download it. But I think here we need to use the order created at instead photo. So here we displayed photo when it was created, but we need the order created at, not the photo. So let's refresh the page. So as you can see here, the photo is 20 hours ago, and now we have the right date for the order. So it's 47 seconds ago and 46 minutes ago. So that's all for this project. We have done everything. So the user now can log in, register, purchase or buy images, view images, download images. You can view his own orders. And we have the backend. We have seen the admin backend, and we can now the admin we can log in to the admin, and we can add pictures. We can let's give a final look to the admin to check if we have anything wrong, then we can fix it, and if everything is working, then we end this video and also this course. So as you can see, now we have images. We can add an image. Let's add an image. Let's choose an image, choose a file. Let's choose this image, give it a description, and let's give it price, submit, and image has been added successfully, and we can update an image. Submit, and everything is done successfully. And that's all for this project. So I hope you did enjoy this project. If so, and you are here, that means that you did enjoy this project. So please hit like and subscribe, and see you in my next project.